Maloy High School Incorporated, headed by the troop commander. Favorite leader, Princess Maureen Del Pino. DLC leader, Ashley Kim Rada. Alpha Company Commander, Mark Jeden Santa Teresa. Alpha Company EXO, Sen Kenshin Toriro. Bravo Company Commander, Rose May Aurelio. Company EXO, Mia Pay Pasa. Happy Company Commander, Christian Angelo Maliniza. Company EXO, Redick Bonador. First Cavalry Boys CPT Company, Renz Nihiliano. Second Battalion Leader, King Elmer Francia. First Battalion Leader, CTP Girl, Patricia May Poet. Second Battalion Leader, Irene Caballero. First Battalion Leader, Happy Boys, Ken Joshua Alves.